it's supposed to be the most joyful time of the year, but if I'm honest, I wasn't feeling it at first. Decorating wasn't something I was rushing into. That's why it took me so long to make this video. I really wanted to participate in the holiday cheer, but I just couldn't find the energy. But this house, this was the place I had always dreamed of decorating. After living in a small apartment for so long, I finally have the space. I've been dreaming of filling this room with holiday spirit, and once I started, I realized it's not about doing everything at once. The hardest part is always taking the first step. And surprisingly, my cats didn't ruin everything. They were actually behaving quite well. I wasn't expecting that, which was one of the reasons I haven't been decorating for many years. I can't even remember when I last decorated my place. I decided to go with a small tree in a pot so I can keep it, hopefully, in my garden and have it for a long time, because I couldn't bear the thought of just buying a tree and throwing it away. So my plan is after Christmas to either keep it in the pot and just have it in my garden, or plant it in the soil and hopefully keep it for a long time, as long as it survives the Greek summer. I believe that when you're not in the mood to celebrate, creating something with your own hands can help bring you into the festive spirit. I don't know exactly what it is. Maybe it's because you become more invested in the process. You've made something of your own, and suddenly you want to be part of it. have been adding little touches here and there, some candles, some lights, some organic decorations like the pine cones or the dried oranges, in combination with some more traditional Christmas decorations like baubles and wrapped presents. Don't let the pressure of Pinterest perfect or trending styles overwhelm you. Decorate in a way that feels cozy and brings you joy.